That's right. Are you gonna flap your wings? Yay! You are marvelous. Julia, what's Ladybug Girl's favorite thing to do? Fly? Yay! Oh!
Yes.
Oh my goodness! Yay!
And she jumps and she puddles. Remember today you did a puddle? And
Oh. Oh. Can you do a little ballet? Yay! Oh, Julia, you're the best Ladybug Girl ever. Fly, Ladybug, fly!
Jules.
Fly! Oh, someone's dizzy.